Horrific news, of course, we've been reporting on the death of the senior official from the finance ministry. These are pictures coming in, are the first images of Delhi's deadly BMW crash. A speeding BMW rammed into Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's top aide there. These are pictures from the very moment when this accident took place. On camera, the crash that killed the top finance ministry official. The victim was then taken to a hospital which was 19 kilometers away. The killer BMW crash caught on camera. The BMW turned turtle after the crash. The finance ministry official and his wife were in fact returning home after visiting Bangla Sahib Gurdwara in Delhi city, and the bike was hit by a BMW car. The very moment when the accident took place, the car toppled over completely. I'm going to go across straight, in fact, to Shreya Chatterjee for more details. These pictures coming in, Shreya, in fact, giving us an idea about the horrific accident that took place there. I mean, the impact of that accident that left the entire car, completely in a total position.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. It is an absolutely unfortunate incident that took place in that Delhi-Kant stretch when we moved towards Dhaula Kuan, towards Rajouri Garden. And we saw those visuals, really disturbing visuals that is coming in of the BMW car. It was in heavy speed. It toppled after it hit and it rammed into that bike, and unfortunately Navjot Singh lost his life. We can see those visuals of both of them lying down. It's only later we are being told that along with the accused and the victim, they were taken to a hospital 19 kilometers away, which is in another district. We're talking about Southwest district. We have multiple hospitals nearby. The immediate response in such accident incidents is to give in first aid, and that could be a life savior. But you're wasting time for 19 kilometers in another district. So that is the particular reason why the Delhi police have also slapped destruction of evidence and death by negligence in this particular matter. Interestingly, I've also spoken with the son of the victim, and he's saying that the mother regained consciousness and it was her who informed them. There was no call from anywhere. The mother apparently also requested them to take them to a better hospital nearby, but no one paid in any heed. It was in an Omni van, which is a delivery Omni van, is where they was taken away. No ambulance, no support, no immediate first aid. Extreme shocker that is coming in from the national capital. The police is right now investigating the matter, and they have also said that the police was also not informed by the accused family members. It was only later that they got to know that this was a different hospital, because initially when they reached the spot, they tried to locate the victims in nearby hospitals but couldn't find any. There was also allegations of altering a medico-legal report. All these things have transpired. We are being told that the victim will be discharged today. In all likelihood, she will be arrested immediately after that.
Get a sense from you on, of course, the family is saying that, Shreya, that why 19 kilometers, and these are questions that due course of investigation will answer. But talk to us a little about who then took him to the hospital. How was he taken? The wife also, in fact, I understand, is battling for her life, is with serious injuries, isn't it, Shreya?
Well, yes, Navjot's wife is also battling for injuries. She's now been shifted to another private hospital in Dwarka, where she underwent a surgery this morning. That's been confirmed to us by her son itself. It's extremely unfortunate. They were coming back from a regular visit that they usually pay to the Bangla Sahib Gurudwara, and on the way back this incident took place. The shocking part, and I will actually quote the exact words that Navjot's son told me. He said that the collision may have been an accident, but what transpired after that was a murder. And that indeed puts on a question that you could have saved the lives of one individual by giving immediate response. But unfortunately, there are multiple angles that are coming in right now, which is also suggesting that probably the hospital where they were treated is close to or belongs to someone who's close to the woman, the accused in this particular matter, Gaganpreet Makkar. These are all accusations that are coming in right now. All will be probed by the Delhi police. But clearly, as Navjot's son said, I probably agree with him that the collision may have been an accident, but whatever transpired, taking the victims who's been hit fatally in a delivery Omni van, no ambulance, 19 kilometers away, that in itself puts a big question of a cover-up that was also being trying to done.
The pictures coming in, Shreya, I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now when that accident took place. You know, if you could also tell us a little about, you know, these look like, in fact, I think, you know, onlookers who were at that who were there at the very moment when this accident took place. And these pictures that we have, it does look like they're trying to pull, in fact, Shreya, doesn't it, the driver out of the BMW car. Also investigation to be done on whether this car was overspeeding or not as well, for the manner in which it's turned completely total.
Well, its initial preliminary investigation suggests that it was speeding. It actually hit the biker, then it hit a DTC bus, and then it toppled. And you can see the bike was also, lying down so close. In that visual, you can see the impact was such that all the airbags opened and the onlookers were trying to get all of them out. And what is still unclear, that who were the ones who took the decision of taking the victim and the accused 19 kilometers away. That is probably the chain of event that the Delhi police will now interestingly look into, because Gaganpreet Makkar, the accused in this particular matter, the lady who was driving the car, has been in the hospital since yesterday after this incident took place. She's yet to be arrested or questioned by Delhi police. We are being confirmed that once she's discharged today, the regular procedure for her arrest and the subsequent investigation will be done by the Delhi police.
Very, very disturbing story we're reporting on right now. These are pictures, in fact, coming in from the very location where this accident took place in Delhi city. The accident took place in Dholakwa. The big question really is, why was the victim or the victims really, both the injured and, of course, the senior officer of the finance ministry lost his life? Why were they both, in fact, why were they taken 19 kilometers away from where this accident took place? And pictures really speaking volumes of how deadly this accident really was for the car to completely turn total here. Was this a negligence or was this an attempt to cover up? The Dholakwa area was the accident spot here, 19 kilometers away, essentially, in GTB Nagar, taken to a hospital here, which was 19 kilometers away. Essentially, the distance that was traveled is what could have cost the victim here in fact, could have saved him. He was brought dead to the hospital, but what is being said right now is that what was the need to take him so far away when a hospital in the vicinity could have helped this situation at that point in time, obviously raising questions on whether this is some sort of a cover-up here. Passengers of the BMW tried to hide the evidence is what now is being said by our sources. Of course, a crucial delay in hospitalization of the crash victim, Navjot, who eventually succumbed to his injuries. The victim was a finance ministry senior official taken to a hospital that was 19 kilometers away. Accused carried Navjot in their car to North Delhi. The victim taken on the pretext of a known hospital. What was the need to do that when this victim ideally had to be taken to an emergency ward? Victim made to travel to the hospital for 19 kilometers. It was 19 kilometers away. The crash that took place was at Dholakwa area of Delhi, and the hospitals in the vicinity were ignored. The victim not taken to nearby AIIMS, to Safdarjung, which are government hospitals, central government controlled hospitals in Delhi city. The BMW driver, identified as Gaganpreet Makkar, is what our sources are indicating. Shreya continues, in fact, to be with us. Shreya, what is being said as far as sources are concerned on the reason why this journey of 19 kilometers had to be undertaken? Going back to Shreya in a moment from now, but these are details that we have with us, and these are pictures, in fact, of that accident that took place in Delhi's Dhaulakua, where a senior finance ministry official was killed in this horrific accident that has taken place. He was, in fact, in a two-wheeler with his wife, returning home after a visit to Delhi's popular Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. This accident took place near Dhaulakua. The victim, Navjot Singh, was serving as a Deputy Secretary in the Department of Economic Affairs under the Ministry of Finance. Reactions now coming in from the family. Listen in.
मामा गुरपाल बहुत परेशान, बहुत दुखी, बहुत मेरा हीरे जैसा बच्चा, मेरा बच्चा चला गया। बेइंसाफी हुई मेरे बच्चे के साथ, बेइंसाफी हुई मेरे बच्चे के साथ। मेरी बहू को भी बहुत चोटें आई, बहुत ज्यादा। वो भी बेचारी हॉस्पिटल में है। उसको सारा बेहोश हो गई थी। बेहोश हो गई, जब होश आया तो उनको जो कार जिनकी थी BMW, उनके हॉस्पिटल में फेंका हुआ था उनको दोनों को। कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई देखभाल नहीं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे।
In fact, we also spoke with the ADCP Abhimanyu Poswal on this horrific crash that took place. Listen into what he said.
कल 2:20 के अराउंड हमारे पास 2 से 3 PCR कॉल आती हैं, जिसमें ये मेंशन करा हुआ था कि ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा जाम लगा हुआ है। इमीडिएटली जो पुलिस पोस्ट है उसकी टीम थाने की और जो एक्स्ट्रा स्टाफ थे उनको भेजा गया ट्रैफिक क्लियर कराने के लिए। बट जब वहाँ पे जाते हैं तो हमें ये पता चलता है कि एक BMW कार और एक बाइक के बीच में एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। वहाँ जाने के बाद जो भी सारा स्टाफ होता है वो इमीडिएटली एक्शन में आता है, उसको चेक करता है। जो भी हमारी क्राइम टीम और जो FSL की टीम्स हैं वो विज़िट करती हैं। नियर बाय CCTV फुटेज को देखा जाता है, तो उसमें एक इन्फॉर्मेशन ये आती है कि जो BMW कार है वो नियर पिलर नंबर 67 जो मेट्रो का है उसके आसपास से जा रहे थे। कर्व से जाते जाते उसका जो फ्रंट पोर्शन है वो हिट करता है थोड़ा सा पिलर को, और जो बैक साइड है वो जो है बाइक जो भी राइडर्स हैं हमारे 2 जने थे कपल्स, उनको हिट करती है। उसके बराबर में एक DTC बस थी, थोड़ा सा उधर पे उनको हिट होता है। बट जो इंडिपेंडेंट विटनेसेस 1-2 हमें मिले, उन्होंने बताया कि जो ड्राइव कर रही थी लेडी उसको ले जाके उन्होंने जो टैक्सी है उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं मेडिकल या फर्स्ट एड के लिए भेज दिया है। उसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें इमीडिएटली नहीं मिल पाई थी कि कहाँ लेके गए कहाँ नहीं लेके गए। तो जो हमारा स्टाफ होता है वो देखता है कि कहाँ पे है, नियर बाय हॉस्पिटल्स भी सर्च करे, CCTV फुटेज, और जो क्राइम टीम है वो तो ऑलरेडी आ गई थी। तो बाद में पता चला कि वो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर हॉस्पिटल में GTB नगर में उन्होंने उनको एडमिट कराया, फर्स्ट एड दिया गया है। तो ये अभी हमारे पास इन्फॉर्मेशन है। इसके रिगार्डिंग केस हमने ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर कर दिया है। बाकी सारी चीज़ें इन्वेस्टिगेशन का पार्ट हैं।
अब जाहिर सी बात है, अक्यूज अगर होश में रहेंगे तभी उनको लेकर नॉर्थ, उन्होंने ही सजेस्ट किया है कि नॉर्थ लेकर चलना है, साउथ वेस्ट नहीं। तो जाहिर सी बात है अगर वो इतने कॉन्शियस थे कि वो आप नॉर्थ लेकर गए तो फिर वो दिल्ली पुलिस को भी इन्फॉर्म कर सकते थे।
हाँ जी। ये सारा का सारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन का भी पार्ट है कि क्या आगे उन्होंने क्या किया, किस लिए करा, क्या रीजंस थे उसके, वो सारा का सारा हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन में एक बार चेक करेंगे कि क्या रीजंस रहे थे उस चीज़ के।
एक आखिरी सवाल है मेरा कि एविडेंस मिटाने का और जानकारी छुपाने का भी सेक्शन लगाया इस मामले में?
हाँ जी, इसमें लगा ये वाला सेक्शन जो FIR है उसके अंदर।
Horrific accident that has taken place in the national capital, killing a senior official of the finance ministry. Listen in to what the victim's son has had to say on what could possibly be the reasons why, and questioning why it was necessary to take the victim 19 to a hospital that was 19 kilometers away from the crash site.
There is definitely something wrong here, but उनको 20 किलोमीटर दूर जो 1 घंटा लगा, उनको न्यू लाइफ करके हॉस्पिटल है GTB नगर में, वहाँ लेके गया। बहुत ही, इट इज़ हॉस्पिटल भी नहीं है, इट इज़ मोर लाइक ए नर्सिंग होम। बहुत ही छोटा सा हॉस्पिटल एंड दे डोंट हैव एनी फैसिलिटीज़। मेरी मम्मी तो जब मैं पहुँचा मैंने देखा वो लॉबी में ही स्ट्रेचर पे उनको पट्टी वट्टी बांध रहे थे। यूजुअली जिन लोगों ने मतलब बात करी है अभी, उन्होंने बताया कि एक्सीडेंट के इंस्टेंटली बाद डेथ इज़ वेरी रेयर, मतलब यूजुअली थोड़ा टाइम होता है। एंड धौलाकुआं के पास तो यू हैव एम्स, यू हैव सुपर स्पेशलिटी, इतने सारे हॉस्पिटल हैं, इतने अच्छे हॉस्पिटल हैं। वहाँ ले जाते तो शायद बच जाते.
Shots on there of the Secretary of the Finance Ministry who has been killed in that horrific crash. A report that my colleague Shreya Chatterjee had sent us earlier. Let's take a look.
What you see behind me is the BMW car that crashed into that fatal accident at the Dhaula Kua stretch, leading to the death of Navjot Singh, who is the Deputy Secretary with the Finance Ministry. Just look at the condition of the car. The entire front portion has gone off. The BMW is a luxury car, but clearly the impact of the entire accident is visibly felt on this car. As you can see, the entire wind bags opened, and also the backside of the car. You can see how visibly the damage has been in this incident. The accused as well is currently hospitalized, is what we are being told, because the impact itself is visibly felt from the damages in the car. This is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
Chatterjee's report from Ground Zero. The very moment when the accident took place is the video we have accessed. In fact, these pictures could be distressing for our young viewers. It shows the impact of this horrific accident that took place in Delhi's Dhaula Kua, where senior Finance Ministry official was killed. His wife critically injured after their motorbike was hit by BMW car near Dhaula Kua in Delhi.